Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Keurig Cleaner Pods is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Keurig coffee maker owner, ensuring that your machine runs smoothly and your coffee always tastes its best. These specialized pods are designed to tackle the buildup of mineral deposits and coffee oils that can accumulate over time, which not only affect the flavor of your brew but can also shorten the lifespan of your beloved brewer. By using these cleaner pods regularly, you're investing in the longevity and optimal performance of your Keurig, guaranteeing a delicious and satisfying cup of coffee every single time you press that brew button. Number 5. Keurig 3-Month Brewer Maintenance Kit. Ensure your Keurig brewer always delivers the best taste. This kit provides everything you need for optimal performance. Inside, you'll find rinse pods, descaling solution, and water filter cartridges. It's a comprehensive set for thorough maintenance. Use the rinse pods to easily clean your K-cup holder. This removes residue and oils, preventing flavor transfer between brews. The descaling solution removes mineral deposits that can build up over time. Regular descaling ensures your coffee always tastes its best. Using these products is simple, just like brewing a regular pod. They are safe, effective, and odorless for a gentle cleaning experience. With this maintenance kit, you can easily keep your brewer in top condition. Enjoy fresh, delicious coffee with every single cup. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining your brewer. It tackles flavor transfer and mineral buildup, ensuring a consistently great cup. If you want a complete package to keep your Keurig running smoothly and tasting its best, this is the choice for you. What people say. It works great to clean the coffee maker. This cleaner is very effective at removing coffee oils and residue from the brew basket and reservoir. The pods are easy to use, just pop one in and run a brew cycle. Number 4. Active Coffee Machine Descaler, 32 ounces. Introducing the Active Coffee Machine Descaler, a powerful solution designed to keep your coffee maker in top condition. It effectively removes stubborn limescale buildup. This versatile cleaner is compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. Enjoy optimal performance from your Keurig, Nespresso, Reusable, and more. Regular descaling with our solution ensures your coffee brews at the perfect temperature. Experience the true, rich flavor of your favorite coffee beans with every cup. With 8 uses per bottle, maintaining your machine is simple and cost-effective. Just follow the easy instructions for a sparkling clean and better-tasting coffee. Prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your espresso machine. Our Descaler is the essential maintenance product for any coffee lover. This solution is perfect for cleaning not only your main coffee maker but also your espresso machine and coffee pots. It tackles tough limescale for a thorough clean. What we like? This Descaler provides a generous amount for multiple uses, effectively tackling tough limescale. It's designed to work with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. If you have multiple coffee makers or a high-volume brewing setup and need a powerful, long-lasting descaler, this is an excellent option. What people say. It cleans the machine very well. It works great and the machine is clean. Number 3. K&J Premium Descaling Solution. Keep your coffee maker in top condition with our premium descaling solution. It effectively removes mineral buildup, ensuring optimal performance and taste. Proudly made in the USA, our formula is crafted with quality and effectiveness in mind. Trust in a product that's built to last. This versatile solution works with a wide range of coffee and espresso machines. From Keurig to Nespresso, it's the perfect choice for all your brewing needs. Each bottle provides 4 uses, offering great value and convenience. Enjoy multiple cleaning cycles to keep your machine running smoothly. Regular descaling with our solution ensures your coffee and espresso always taste their best. Experience the full flavor of your favorite brews, every time. What we like? This descaler is proudly made in the USA, offering a premium solution for your coffee machine. It effectively removes buildup to enhance your coffee's flavor. If you prioritize domestically produced goods and seek a reliable, high-quality descaler for your various coffee and espresso machines, this is a great pick. What people say. This cleaner works great for descaling my Keurig. It effectively removes mineral buildup and keeps my coffee tasting fresh. The pods are easy to use, just pop one in and run a brew cycle. Number 2. Descaling Powder Solution, 6 uses, Coffee Machine Cleaner. Introducing our powerful descaling powder solution, designed to keep your coffee machines in top condition. It effectively removes mineral buildup for optimal performance. Each package provides 6 convenient uses, ensuring you have enough for multiple descaling sessions. This offers great value and long-lasting maintenance for your appliances. This versatile cleaner is compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. It works seamlessly with Breville, Keurig, Nespresso, DeLonghi, and Ninja machines. Whether you own an automatic coffee pot, a maker, or an espresso machine, this solution is perfect for you. It's designed to tackle scale in all types of coffee brewing devices. Regular descaling with our solution helps restore the true taste of your coffee. Say goodbye to dull flavors caused by mineral deposits and enjoy a richer, more aromatic brew. Using our descaling powder is simple and straightforward. Just follow the easy instructions to achieve a cleaner machine and better tasting coffee with minimal effort. What we like. This descaling powder offers a cost-effective solution with multiple uses per package. It's designed to be compatible with a broad spectrum of automatic coffee makers and espresso machines. If you're looking for an economical and versatile way to decale various types of coffee equipment, this powder is a practical choice. What people say. It cleans the machine very well. The pods are easy to use and effective at cleaning the Keurig. My Keurig brews much better after using these pods. Number 1. CASABREWS Cask 01 Reusable K-Cups. Enjoy your favorite coffee with our reusable pods, designed to fit most Keurig 1.0 machines and select Breville and Mr. Coffee models. Please check our compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your brewer. Make a sustainable choice and save money with our durable stainless steel pods. By choosing reusable, you reduce waste from paper filters and disposable capsules, contributing to a healthier planet. Experience the full, rich taste of your coffee. Our precisely perforated design allows for optimal water flow, ensuring all the natural oils and flavors are extracted for a delicious brew every time. Brewing your perfect cup is effortless. Just fill with your favorite grounds, brew, and then easily dispose of the used grounds and rinse the filter. It's that simple. As a US-based company, your satisfaction is our priority. We stand behind our product and are here to assist you with any questions or concerns. Buy with confidence, knowing we've got your back. What we like. This reusable pod offers an environmentally friendly and cost-saving alternative to disposable options. Its design ensures that your coffee's natural oils and flavors are fully preserved. If you're looking to reduce waste, save money, and enjoy the full flavor of your coffee with your Keurig 1.0 machine, this is the perfect sustainable choice. What people say. It cleans the machine very well. It is easy to use, just pop it in and run a brew cycle. The pods are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and makes them easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.